In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best pet gadgets on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best pet gadgets on Amazon. Number 1, Pet Grooming Hammock with Nail Clippers / Nail Trimmers / Grooming Scissors, Dog Grooming Harness for Nail Trimming, Pet Grooming Sling Helper, comfortable and secure, keeps pets calm and still during grooming sessions. Complete grooming kit includes nail clippers, trimmer, and grooming scissors, soft and breathable fabric, gentle on skin and reduces stress for your pet. Durable and safe design, reinforced stitching and strong hooks for stability. Multi-purpose, ideal for nail trimming, ear cleaning, and grooming small to medium dogs and cats. Simplify grooming with this Pet Grooming Hammock Kit, designed to make nail trimming and grooming stress-free for both you and your pet. The hammock gently supports your cat or small to medium dog, keeping them calm and secure during grooming. Made from soft, breathable mesh fabric, it provides comfort while preventing scratches or discomfort. The kit includes nail clippers, a trimmer, and grooming scissors, giving you all the tools you need for a complete at-home grooming session. With strong hooks and reinforced stitching, this grooming sling ensures safety and stability, making it perfect for nail trimming, ear cleaning, and general pet care. Turn stressful grooming into a smooth, comfortable experience for your furry friend. Number 2, Paw Cleaning and Dog Drying Towel. Absorbent microfiber dog towel with built-in paw cleaners, hand pockets and hanging loop, machine washable, 3 sizes inside paws, medium, built-in paw cleaning, soft silicone brushes gently remove dirt, mud, and debris from your dog's paws. Super absorbent microfiber quickly dries wet fur and paws after walks, baths, or outdoor play. Convenient hand pockets, easy to hold and use, keeping your hands clean while drying your dog. Hanging loop for storage, easily hangs to dry and store when not in use. Machine washable and durable, soft, long-lasting microfiber, available in 3 sizes for all dog breeds. Keep your dog clean and dry with the Paw Cleaning and Dog Drying Towel, designed to make post-walk and bath time quick and stress-free. The towel features built-in silicone paw cleaners that gently remove dirt and mud while drying, so your floors stay cleaner. Made from super absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water from fur and paws, while the hand pockets make it easy to hold and control. The hanging loop ensures convenient storage and fast drying, and the towel is machine washable for effortless cleaning. Available in 3 sizes, this versatile towel is perfect for small, medium, and large dogs, making it an essential grooming tool for every pet owner. Number 3, FURME Professional Plus Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. Cat and dog grooming kit for easy pet care at home. Quiet and safe dog hair remover machine with brush, clipper, shedding and cleaner tools and 2L canister. All-in-one grooming kit includes vacuum, brush, clipper, shedding and cleaning tools for full pet care. Quiet and safe operation. Low noise design keeps pets calm while grooming. Efficient hair removal. Powerful vacuum collects loose fur directly into a 2L canister. Professional grooming tools. Includes clipper and grooming attachments for easy at-home trimming, suitable for cats and dogs, ideal for pets of all sizes, keeping fur under control and your home clean. You make pet grooming at home simple and stress-free with the FURME Professional Plus Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. This all-in-one kit combines a quiet, safe vacuum system with grooming tools including a clipper, brush, and shedding attachments, allowing you to remove loose fur while trimming and styling your pet. The 2L canister collects hair efficiently, reducing mess and saving cleanup time. Its low-noise operation ensures pets stay calm during grooming, making it perfect for cats and dogs alike. Durable, professional-grade tools make at-home grooming easier, safer, and more effective. Keep your Number 4, Chumajor Wireless 7.5L/254US/2 Dog Water Fountain for large dogs. Stainless steel, quiet pet and cat water fountain with motion sensor, automatic water dispenser for dogs and multi-pet homes. Continuous fresh flow, large capacity 7.5L/2 gallons, keeps your pets hydrated all day without frequent refills. Quiet and pet-friendly low-noise design ensures pets are not disturbed while drinking. Continuous fresh flow motion sensor automatically dispenses clean, filtered water for healthy hydration. Durable stainless steel construction, safe, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, perfect for multi-pet homes. Large reservoir and continuous flow accommodate cats and dogs of all sizes. Keep your pets hydrated with the Chumajor Wireless Dog Water Fountain, designed for large dogs and multi-pet households. Its 7.5L/2 gallon capacity ensures your pets have access to fresh water all day, while the quiet operation prevents any disturbance. The fountain features a motion sensor that automatically dispenses filtered water when your pet approaches, promoting healthy drinking habits and reducing waste. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and safe for pets. Ideal for households with multiple pets, this automatic water fountain provides a continuous fresh flow to keep your cats and dogs hydrated and healthy. Number 5. POLIMO Dog Wash Station with Pet Dryer and LED. Professional dog bathing station for large, medium and small dogs. Includes window, ramp, drawer, floor grate, LED display and faucet. Right ramp and dryer. 50-inch all-in-one bathing station. Complete setup for washing, drying, and grooming dogs of all sizes. Integrated pet dryer. Efficient, safe drying system reduces bath time. LED display and built-in faucet. Easy temperature and flow control for precise grooming. Convenient design features. Window, right side ramp, floor grate, and storage drawer for easy cleaning and access. Professional grade and durable sturdy construction suitable for home or commercial use. Upgrade your dog grooming routine with the POLIMO Dog Wash Station, designed for professional level bathing at home or in commercial settings. Suitable for large, medium, and small dogs, this station includes a built-in pet dryer, LED display, and faucet for precise and efficient grooming. The station features a window, right side ramp, floor grate, and storage drawer, making bathing easier, safer, and more comfortable for pets. Its durable, professional-grade construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the integrated dryer reduces stress and speeds up drying time. Perfect for pet owners or groomers, this all-in-one dog wash station simplifies bathing, drying, and grooming, keeping pets clean, comfortable,